Greetings, Dan Daniels here. I saw this article from Apurv Mishra. Easily write interactive web app using Python. Well, that's got my attention, and I'll skip straight to the chase. I grabbed his code from from GitHub. Wherever is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right here. So I got the code from GitHub and went ahead and installed FPDF and PyWeb.io, popped it into my Visual Studio, and I can say that it works right out of the box, which is very exciting and proof of Mr. Apurv's ability to write working code. Let me show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and F5 this, and you'll see that it gives me this URL down here. Copy that. Copy, and we'll go to a new browser, Control V, paste, and there it is, and we have a full web UI. So we'll say thank you, Mishra, and this is in Python, and experience 0 to 1, mail. Thank you for posting. And let's take a look at the profile image, browse, and let's go with some drawings, and let's go with a parrot. Select and submit. Now it all goes into the browser, and you can see there is the code, or there is the output. Thank you, Mr. Mishra. And I'm going to generate PDF. Now I'm going to get some errors down here when I try that. It doesn't like something unescaped text. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but when I'm going to name the call this thank you .pdf. It may not necessary to use the .pdf. I don't know. I click submit, and we got an error, and that is the error I mentioned here. No attribute unescape. I checked this code here. There is no unescape. And line 400, so it's line 63, generate PDF res file name. So I'm not quite sure what to make of that error. Regardless, if I want to print as PDF, I can just go Control P and turn off the headers and footers. And there is my professional info. Click save, and we'll give this a new name, A. There it is. We go to the desktop, take a look. A, there's my parrot, and let's make this bigger. So there is my, oh, okay, that's interesting. Why am I getting this in the output? That's very interesting. Not going to worry about it right now. You can see this is these things down here for my recording. I think that about covers it, though. Again, thank you, Mr. Mishra, for showing us this, and I will be sure. Let's take a look. Professional info, and Control F, professional info. There it is. So here is the PDF cell, and I can change the fonts and the image PNG. I'm not quite sure what that is for. .pdf, it already includes the file name in the PDF. He's using f strings here. You can see the f string. Not quite sure what the f is for, so let's go ahead and just modify this. Control S, kill this instance. Control S, clear. F5 to run. It's going to give me the same URL. And if I F5 that, it should give me, it should have given me a different text there. F5, no. Interesting. Why didn't it update? Copy. Control T, Control V. Interesting. So maybe I didn't. Maybe there's two professional informations in here. There is. All right. So I'm not quite sure where that shows up, but we'll go ahead and put the professional. Here it is, right here. And this is Markdown. Okay, so put Markdown. That's kind of handy. Control V, Control S, kill that instance, save it, start up the new instance, 32420, F5, and thank you, Apoorv Mishra, for sharing your code and your insights into PyWeb.io, which I don't know what is the licensing for this. Libraries, release notes. It's relatively new. Anyway, again, thank you for posting your code, and happy computing.